Hello everyone, my name is Lakshyesh. I am currently in third year of my BSc honors degree in data science and artificial intelligence from IIT Guwahati. My purpose of this video is to demonstrate my project on building an interactive platform for historical weather data analysis and visualization. This is also my term project. I am very fortunate that I got this project. I made this project with lot of sincerity and hard work. Teachers also helped me in this project. As why I am uploading this video on YouTube is because our teachers has motivate us students to make a 10-minute video of project and upload it on YouTube to increase our confidence and conquer the nervousness. Now let me start demonstrating my project. Now, thank you. So this is my project, which you can see it is hosted on Streamlit Cloud Community. To host on Streamlit, first we have to create a GitHub repository. Also, we have to download Streamlit library from Python. This is my site. As you can see, I have taken maximum temperature averages from 1950s and it can predict data. It has taken data from 1950s to 2025. After that, it will predict for average maximum temperature, average minimum temperature, and average rainfall in for future years. If I put some value here, before predicting any future data, let me first show my GitHub repository. Here all the coding which I have done is stored. As you can see, this is completely made from Python language. This is my project structure. There is requirements.txt file wherein important libraries are mentioned which I have installed in bash. After that, there is app.py file which contains all the coding requiring for website creation. Then there is src folder wherein which there are 5 files of different importance. First is dataloader.py file. Let me show. First first we have to load the data. After that, cleaning is done on that csv file data. After that, we do visualization and we also do analysis of this file. And as I have project on predicting future data, that's why I have also created one more file, that is forecasting.py. The data which I have taken is this. I have taken this data from Kaggle website. This is currently the data of only Delhi city, which mentioned the date, the rain in maximum temperature of that day in Celsius and minimum temperature of that day, which is also in Celsius. It starts from 1 January 1951 to almost 2024. There is also I've created readme.md file, and there is git-ignore, which is also important. Before I show some future data predictions, let me first show a report. I have also made a report on this topic. As you can see on the first slide, I have mentioned my project name here, and then my name, roll number, my trimester project, then my supervisor Mr. Neeraj Kumar Sharma sir, who has helped me in this project. After that, this is my abstract of report. This is concise, standalone summary of a complete study, highlighting its purpose, methods, key findings, and conclusions. Then, after that, this is my introduction on weather data analysis topic project, and this is all for my page 2. Then after that, this is my problem statement and its objective. As you can see, its objectives and problem statements. After that, I have prepared a methodology and approach for doing this, and this is all for page 3. After that, for page 4, I have listed some experiments and results and some discussions which I think which will be very interactive for everyone. And last but not the least, my final page which mentions conclusions and my future work. And this is some my links. Let me click on this and show you. It opens GitHub repository, and this is my live dashboard of weather analysis topic. Let me predict some future data. We can mention any date. Let's predict data for June 18, 2026. It's predicting. Here are the results. So the maximum temperature would be 39.65 and some decimal degrees, and minimum temperature of that day would be 27 degree 0.71 and something degree, and rainfall in mm is 1.90 and some decimal. Let me predict weather for different year. Some let's calculate for 2028 and September, 19 September. Here the maximum temperature of 9 19 September 2028 would be 34.07 degrees, and minimum temperature of that day would be 24.23 and some decimal degrees. Thank you. A major challenge was in this project was browser side memory. Processing 70 years of Delhi data can be very heavy. To solve this, I implemented server side caching and data downsampling, ensuring the dashboard remains fast and responsive on all devices. In conclusion, these platforms provide a measurable way to observe Delhi's changing climate. For future work, I plan to integrate LSTM models. At last, I want to say thank you for watching this video. This is my first ever YouTube video. This gave me so much confidence. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment down. Thank you.